Hello, and welcome to another Telekinesis video. In our 7 days Telekinesis challenge, we just surpassed day 3. And of course, I'm here again answering your questions and your comments. I realized that we're getting fewer and fewer comments. That means fewer and fewer people are trying to learn telekinesis. They give up. But if you are listening to this right now, that means that you're special. You're strong. Way more powerful than others. Congratulations to that. I am very proud of you. Anyways, let's get into the comments. VM says, before many years I tried to learn telekinesis but it doesn't affect. I'll learn for now Pyrokinesis. If you have trouble to learn some kind of kinesis, in that case telekinesis, there is nothing wrong with stopping that and focusing more on another kinesis, like Pyrokinesis. Work on your strengths. I made a video on that. Work on your strengths first. In your weaknesses, become better automatically. Next question. Deeper Sink says, Sir, I'm trying telekinesis and after some time of staring at my object, my forehead starts aching. And Guru, I'm unable to unite with my object. Please tell how to feel being it. Thanks a lot. So, my dear Deepesh, what you are experiencing is putting yourself and your mind and your brain on a lot of pressure. You can release this pressure by breathing through it. Breathe in so much till your lungs hurt. And breathe out only halfway. That's gonna help. If you breathe properly, it's gonna release the pressure and release the stress. And through meditation, you can connect and unite with the object. Just be patient. It's gonna happen. A Chaw says, somebody please reply to this. When I'm meditating, I cup my hands in front of my chest like holding a basketball, and I feel like my hands are pushing away from each other. Do you know what that is? A cyborg? A child. Yes. That what you're experiencing is a cyborg. It's an invisible ball of energy. You can hold it in your hands or carrying it in your heart. In order to do telekinesis, you have to have it in your body, not outside. But that's a great start, Chaw. Keep meditating. You've got this. Zion Gilch says, Hey Guru, I left a comment on the last video. I was wondering if you have any tips on how to protect my energy and intentions more effectively. I've been using a few different techniques from different YouTubers and mixing them for my own preferences. Do you have any ideas on how I can move on to the next step so I don't need to keep using my hands to protect my power? It's all in your mind, my friend. You don't need your hands. Just tell yourself you don't need your hands. Make it reality. It's your reality. imagining it in another place. For the second telekinesis method, you imagine the object moving in your inner eye. You close your eyes, you feel the connection to the object, and then you move it with your mind. Picture it vividly. You can do it. Okay. Daisy Hero Dev says, okay, Guru, but now you're using the new method. Yes, I'm right. So which method we want to use? Your Guru method or your new method? Dear Daisy, I'm using both methods depending on the object. If it's an object I have a connection to, I'm way better off using my Guru method, the method where you build a connection through love to an object. If it's a foreign object I have no connection to whatsoever, then I use the new method. I want you guys to learn both, just like I did. Not a question, but Party says, thank you for taking the time to create all the videos for us. You are welcome. It's my pleasure. Innocent Thief says, I hope you're not a thief really, but anyways, you say, do you feel anything when you do telekinesis with your hands? Do your hands feel buzzy? I do feel sensation in my body, not always in my hands. When I do pyrokinesis, I feel my hands heating up because I bring my body heat into my fingers and then bring it onto the object, and my hands are getting very, very warm. But when I do telekinesis, no. I feel it in my neck, a tickling in my neck. That's what I feel. Knowledge Industry asks, Guru, my name is M. Wakma Yunus, and my question, can meditation is same for both telekinesis methods? Yes. Meditation itself has nothing to do with telekinesis. But the right meditation is going to help us to control our thoughts, control our body, control our breathing. And this control is going to help us with telekinesis. So yes, meditation for any purpose is the same. Avatar says, Telekinesis Guru, you said you were going to show how to fly with your new telekinesis methods. Can you show us, please? Yes, I'm gonna show you. But I want you guys to be patient. I want you to be patient and learn slowly, step by step. Before you learn how to fly, you have to learn how to walk. That's how it is. French Wizard says, this video is rather disappointing, but anyways, day 1, order your life is no distractions. Day 2, cultivate the body. Day 3, gather knowledge. I'm sorry, French, that you're too good to learn this lesson from today's video, but others are gonna think it's gonna be very useful. That's how it is with videos. I'm not making those videos for one person. I'm having an audience of over 10,000 people, so I need to cover all the bases. So I'm sorry, French, if I hurt your feelings. Lillian Aiden says, oh, Guru, how bad does watching horror movies and reading creepypastas affect your progress? The movies, they could affect your progress. Reading stories is not a bad thing. But I need you to fully focus on those stories, and after you're done, being able to fully let go mom says, "Hi Guru, I practice telekinesis every single day, but still nothing. I did everything like you said. I exercise every day. I eat healthy. I clean my room. Then what's the problem?" To me, it sounds like the problem is impatience. I need you to be patient. Learn this patient and you will learn telekinesis. He also asked, "I'm from Bangladesh, so we eat rice every day, which is full of carbohydrates." I said it in my last video. If there's no way of not eating carbohydrates, you have to stop eating fat. Those were the main questions. So if you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help you. Soon I'm gonna be uploading day 4 of our 7 days telekinesis challenge. Stay tuned and have a good